millions of Americans could actually see the northern lights as far south as Alabama because of this very rare solar storm.
Right now, this active sunspot is so big you can see it using your solar eclipse glasses. We shot this on a sun-protected camera. At 124,000 miles long, this is one of the biggest sunspots ever seen.
How does this phenomenon work and how rare is it?
Well, I mean, this is the biggest one since 2003. This is a G5. We have not had a G5 since 2003. So the way they do it is it goes from G1 through to G5. And yesterday, they were looking at what had come off the sun.
Here are some new images from Yountville, Santa Clara County, and here in San Francisco. One of the strongest solar storms in decades is behind the light show.
The photos from around the world earlier today are just spectacular.
We're talking about a massive solar storm here. They are calling it a severe geomagnetic storm. It threatens to have an impact on our power grids, our communications, and just maybe give us a look at something that is very rarely ever seen here in the Southland.
Normally, one has to travel to places like Canada or Greenland to see this. But with the largest geomagnetic storm in almost 2 decades reaching Earth's atmosphere, the skies lighting up across America with colors seen as far as Florida and Texas.
The first solar flares erupting Wednesday morning, directed towards Earth from the sun's corona.
So every 11 years, the sun does this kind of thing. And it's been brewing, and there have been these big sunspots and these big, patches of sunspots that are like 16 times bigger than our planet just on the surface of the sun, and these things have been burping out. And so yesterday NOAA could see these waves of plasma coming off the sun and did the calculations and said, look, like somewhere between 5 and 7 of these are going to hit the Earth at the same time, and this could be a G4. This could be really big. And so everybody was excited for a G4, but you can't always predict with these things what is going to happen. And it turned out to exceed expectations. It was a G5. It was not just severe, it was extreme. And so, as I said, this hasn't happened since 2003. And the fact that you can see the northern lights in Vancouver, it tells the whole story. I mean, Vancouver is not north. That is basically on the southern border of Canada. You shouldn't be able to see northern lights there. And the fact that you could really speaks to what a spectacular event this was. And I've talked to friends in Alberta and Saskatchewan who say that it was just a breath to behold, just a beautiful sight.
Gorgeous, yes. These images right now, just looking at them.